Imagine unlocking the secret to radiant, youthful skin, with the key lying in the heart of nature's most potent plants. Yes, we're talking about oils. Not just any oils, but those that are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and other nourishing compounds. These are the oils that have the power to transform your skin health. From the ancient Egyptians to the geishas of Japan, oils have long been recognized for their profound impact on skin health. They've been used to cleanse, moisturize, and even heal the skin. But why are these oils so beneficial? It all comes down to their rich composition. When we talk about essential fatty acids, we're referring to the building blocks of healthy skin. These are the good fats that help to strengthen the skin's protective barrier, keeping it hydrated and locking in moisture. They're essential for the skin, but the body can't produce them on its own. That's where these oils come in. And then there are the vitamins. Vitamins A, C, and E are particularly beneficial for the skin. They help to repair damage, boost collagen production, and fight off harmful free radicals. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. These powerful compounds protect the skin from environmental stressors, like pollution and UV rays that can speed up the aging process. But the benefits don't stop there. Many of these oils also contain other nourishing compounds that can help to fight wrinkles and promote youthful skin. From soothing inflammation to reducing hyperpigmentation, these oils are packed with benefits that can lead to healthier, more radiant skin. Now that we've uncovered the secret, it's time to delve into the specifics and discover the best oils to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Meet organic jojoba oil, a powerhouse of skin-loving nutrients that closely resembles our skin's natural sebum. This golden elixir is packed with essential fatty acids, potent antioxidants, and vitamins, making it a veritable feast for your skin. Firstly, let's delve into why jojoba oil is such a unique and effective moisturizer. Due to its similarity to our skin's own oils, it's readily absorbed without leaving a greasy residue, making it an ideal choice for all skin types. It works by forming a protective barrier, locking in moisture, and preventing the skin from losing hydration. The result? A soft, supple complexion that glows with health. But the benefits of organic jojoba oil extend far beyond mere hydration. The oil is also a potent healing agent. Rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, it aids in the repair of damaged skin cells, reduces inflammation, and speeds up the healing process. Whether you're dealing with sunburn, acne, or even a minor cut, jojoba oil can offer a helping hand in your skin's recovery process. What's more, jojoba oil is a natural protector. It contains a high concentration of antioxidants, which fight against the harmful effects of free radicals. These unstable molecules are a major cause of premature aging, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. By neutralizing these free radicals, jojoba oil helps to maintain the skin's elasticity, keeping it firm and youthful. Now, let's talk about the science behind these benefits. The oil's richness in essential fatty acids, particularly linoleic and oleic acid, helps to strengthen the skin's natural barrier, maintaining its health and vitality. Meanwhile, its abundance of antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin E and B complex, nourish the skin, promoting cell regeneration and improving overall skin tone and texture. So, whether you're looking to hydrate, heal, or protect your skin, organic jojoba oil has got you covered. It's a skin savior in a bottle, offering a natural, effective solution to achieving a healthy, glowing complexion. Unearth the liquid gold of skincare, organic argan oil, treasured for its exceptional skin-nourishing qualities. Known as liquid gold, organic argan oil hails from the kernels of the argan tree, native to Morocco. This precious oil is revered for its potent skin-nourishing properties, a result of an abundant composition of antioxidants and essential fatty acids. Let's delve into the science behind its power. Organic argan oil is rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields your skin against the harmful effects of free radicals. Free radicals, unstable molecules that damage collagen, cause skin dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E in argan oil helps to maintain the skin's elasticity and hydration, giving you a youthful and radiant appearance. But the magic doesn't end there. Organic argan oil is also teeming with essential fatty acids, particularly omega-6 and omega-9. These fatty acids are vital in maintaining healthy skin. They help to form a barrier on the skin that locks in moisture, preventing dryness and keeping the skin soft and plump. They also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, promoting wound healing, and maintaining the integrity of the skin barrier. Moreover, organic argan oil is a powerhouse of other skin-loving nutrients like ferulic acid, sterols, and polyphenols. These compounds further enhance the oil's antioxidant activity, offer anti-inflammatory benefits, and promote skin repair and regeneration. Whether you're looking to hydrate parched skin, soften fine lines, or simply give your skin a healthy, radiant glow, organic argan oil is your go-to. Its light texture and quick absorption make it suitable for all skin types, and it's easy to incorporate into your daily skincare routine. Just a few drops massaged into your skin can unlock its myriad benefits. So if you're on the hunt for a skincare product that is both nourishing and rejuvenating, look no further. Organic argan oil, a treasure trove of skin-loving nutrients, gifting your skin with a youthful, radiant glow. Discover organic rosehip seed oil, a secret weapon in the fight against aging. This remarkable elixir is more than just a simple oil. It's a powerhouse of nourishment for your skin. Originating from the wild rosebush, rosehip seed oil is steeped in vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. These potent elements work in harmony to breathe life into your skin. Picture a symphony, the vitamins and antioxidants playing the melody that promotes skin regeneration, while the essential fatty acids provide the rhythm, fostering a firm and hydrated complexion. Let's delve deeper into this magical potion. The vitamins, particularly vitamin C and E, are known for their ability to brighten the skin and ward off harmful free radicals. These hard-working vitamins reduce the appearance of dark spots and dullness, giving your skin a radiant, youthful glow. Now let's turn our attention to the essential fatty acids. These are the building blocks of healthy skin cells. They work relentlessly to reduce wrinkles and fine lines by boosting skin elasticity and encouraging the production of collagen. Then there's the antioxidants, your skin's personal bodyguards. They shield your skin from environmental stressors and damage that accelerate aging. Organic rosehip seed oil, a secret to youthful skin, offering a natural, potent antidote to the signs of aging. This enchanting elixir, with its symphony of nourishing compounds, is your ticket to a vibrant, age-defying complexion. In the quest for radiant, youthful skin, nature has supplied all the ammunition we need. Let's take a moment to remember the powerful allies we've discussed today: the organic jojoba oil, the organic argan oil, and the organic rosehip seed oil, all by Cliganic. Each of these oils is a treasure trove of essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and other nourishing compounds. They are more than just moisturizers. These oils fight wrinkles, improve elasticity, and give your skin a healthy, youthful glow. They are the embodiment of nature's generosity, the liquid gold of skincare. As we've learned, not all oils are created equal. The right oil can be a game changer for your skin. It's all about choosing oils that boast a rich composition, that nourish, protect, and rejuvenate your skin. By selecting the right oils, you can nourish, protect, and rejuvenate your skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare secrets revealed. Here's to healthier, more radiant skin. Did all of this information pique your interest? Are you excited to embark on a skin health journey with the power of oils? Then we have good news. For your convenience, we've included a direct link in the description box below this video. This link will take you straight to these exceptional Cliganic products. You can easily add them to your skincare arsenal and start experiencing the magic yourself. Remember, the right oil can be a game changer for your skin, and Cliganic's oils are indeed the right ones. Don't wait to start your journey towards healthier, more radiant skin. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We have lots more skincare secrets and tips to share with you. Stay tuned and let's continue this journey to radiant skin together.